Two ways to turn on or turn off Wi-Fi on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on connections. Now in here, tap on the Wi-Fi toggle button to turn it off or to switch it on. Now the other quicker way to do it is to swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Then in here, you can tap on the Wi-Fi icon to turn it off or switch it on. Now you can also touch and hold on the Wi-Fi icon to quickly open up the menu. From here, you have the option to connect to other Wi-Fi network as well. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.